tower elevators for Sense. Oh, these are the Dovers that were oh, they were not modernized. Huh. Oh boy. Dover quality. That was modernized by OTIS. I thought these were modernized. I guess not. I hear an OTIS chime in another one. Maybe this was the only one spare? Yeah, see, look at that. This one has a new cap. Yeah, this is modernized. Huh, I guess those are the only original ones. I've seen some pathetic mods in my life, but this one just might be them.
Just kind of follow the floor around.
I don't understand. What is this place doing? These were all Dover traditionals, but they got them mod by OTIS like last year. And now look. Why did they mod an OTIS? See, when I came here, the one right there, that one was original. This one and the one next to it were already modded by OTIS. So I was like, oh, cool, they kept one. And then now they're all modded. Oh, we're going up.
Going down.
Run nicely. Just not paying attention.
Going down.
Big ass camera. That's unfortunate.